Alright, let's go step by step on how to Revolut travel card works and how you can use it while traveling. You can see here Revolut offers a travel debit card that allows you to spend in over 150 currencies at great exchange rate. It works just like a normal debit card but is designed to help you save money when spending abroad. You can get a physical card for in-store purchases or a virtual card for online and contactless payment. Both work seamlessly wherever you travel. With this card, you can exchange money at real exchange rates and hold up to 36 different currencies in your Revolut app. So let's say you are traveling from the UK to the US, you can convert GBP to USD directly in the app before you trip. This way, you lock in a good rate and avoid hidden exchange fees. And if you visit multiple countries, no problem. Your Revolut card will automatically use the right currency from your balance. If you don't have the required currency, it will exchange it for you at the best available rate. Traveling means extra precautions, and Revolut gives you full control over your card. You can set spending limits to make sure you don't overspend. If you ever lose your card, you can freeze or unfreeze it instantly from the app. You also get a one use virtual card that automatically changes details after each transaction. Perfect for secure online purchases. Plus, you will receive instant payments notifications so you always know when and where your money is being used. Need cash while traveling? With Revolut, you can withdraw money from ATMs worldwide without any fees, up to 2000 euro for rolling month, depending on your plan. Just remember, while Revolut does not charge you, some ATMs may have their own fees, so always check before withdrawing. If you don't have time to wait for a physical card, you can instantly generate a virtual card and add it to Apple Play or Google Play. This means you can start spending right away with just your phone. No need to carry a card. Now, here are some quick tips to save money when spending abroad. Don't exchange cash at airports or before your trip. Rates are usually bad. Instead, just use your Revolut card for better exchange rates. When paying at a store or restaurant abroad, always choose to pay in the local currency instead of GBP or USD. This avoids extra conversion fees from the merchant. Getting your Revolut card is easy and takes just 3 simple steps. Sign up on the Revolut app. It only takes a few minutes. Then order your free travel card. Delivery fees may apply. Start spending globally. Use your card in over 150 countries online or in store. And that's it. With Revolut, you get better exchange rates, full security control, and easy access to your money anywhere in the world. So if you are planning a trip, get your Revolut travel card today and spend like a local.